So how does it feel to be 2?
Great. It's okay. It just shrunk by about 9 years, but it feels good.
Look at that. You're literally twice the size of that kid.
This is a lot better. I can use it.
Happy 2nd birthday, Annie.
We're just really tall 2-year-olds. Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
2-year-olds. Great. And yours. Smart 2-year-olds, and that just sounded like I dropped a candy.
Oh my god.
Sally,
Sorry.
you need to listen more. What time is it?
It's 2:31.
We need to go to the zoo.
I know.
Let's go to the... Well, we need to go... We're going to go to Willy Wonka, and then we're going to the zoo.